Hey everyone! What's up? It's Raya and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pretty fun video. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the ColourPop Fade Into Hue palette. I also have a small little goodie in there too that I'll show you, but it's mostly about the palette. Before I start this video, make sure to subscribe down below if you would like to support me and my channel. Give this video a like and comment if you've gotten any new makeup recently. I love talking and hearing about new makeup. Anyways, let's get right on to the unboxing. So I have this ColourPop box and I already opened it because yeah. But it's easier to open now on camera. Here's the box. They always have the best packaging. And it's in so much bubble wrap. They really made sure that my makeup was protected, which I really appreciate because other brands don't do as much. So I appreciate that. Don't appreciate that it's just more and more plastic, but I appreciate them caring about my palette and my makeup order. Gotta get rid of this. Just like everything else in my apartment, just throw it on the floor, whatever. Here's the palette. I'll take it out of the bubble wrap. And it's just this beautiful pastel rainbow packaging. I really enjoy it. And it's like that soft matte packaging, which is always a win. And the other thing I got is these Friends Forever Super Shock shadows. They are just two Super Shock shadows, which if you don't know what those are, they're just like really pigmented glittery shades. I hope you guys can see. They have a cat and a dog face on each one, and all the proceeds from buying these went to charity to help out our furry friends. So I just needed like $5 more to get free shipping because I hate paying for shipping. So I was like, oh, these were 10. That's cute. And I'll go over just a little bit so I don't have to pay for shipping. But yeah, I got these and this is the more important part of it all. So I'm just gonna open this up. Ready? Ooh, it's upside down. But it's just like the box it came in. And here it is. The back has all the shadow names here, and it's like rose gold print. It's really cool. And let's open it up. Oh my god. Are you seeing these colors? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I have ideas. Well, here are all of the shadows. I'll go through each row and do some swatches. Also, I can't remember how much this was, so I'll put the price right here. I know I got it when it first came out, which was on Black Friday, so I got a special deal. So that's the first column. That's the second column. That's the third column. That's the fourth column. Sorry, I swatched those two pretty close together. That's the fifth column. And now that's the sixth column, which I think is my favorite. Look at those purples. They're so stunning. Hey everyone. So it's actually the next morning because I had to do a podcast last night and I did it, and then I came back to film the rest of my video and I hated how my look was turning out. I couldn't fix it. I was trying to cut my crease and there was no fixing it. So threw that look away and I woke up really early this morning so I could do another look for you guys. So the first color I'm gonna go into is Dyed Up. And I'm gonna put that on my inner crease. Now I'm gonna mix Take It Easel and Iconic together. And I forgot to mention it before, but I've just been using the E27 brush. And I use a color switch in between, so I can keep using this brush. And I'm putting it on the middle of my crease. And now I'm gonna mix Majestic and Zeitgeist. I've never heard that word before. But we're gonna mix those two together and do our outer crease and our corner. Okay, so I did the first part of my eyes, which is just getting the crease and blending it out. And now I'm gonna cut my crease really quick and then we'll get to the rest of the rainbow. And that's just like a little trick to cut your crease, and the brush that I'm using, I couldn't tell you what brand it is or kind it is because it rubbed off. It's the only brush I use to cut my crease though. Okay, my first one is cut, on to the second one. Okay, so now both of our creases are cut, and here comes like the super exciting part to me. I'm gonna start by taking Atelier and Paradise kind of mixed together. This is more of a like shimmery satiny shade, but I wanted to mix it a little bit with Paradise to get it more red. And I'm just putting that on the inner part of my cut crease. That is so pigmented. Holy cow. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Art Deco mixed with a little bit of Treasure, but mostly Art Deco, and put that in the center of the cut crease. And now I'm gonna take Big Smile, which is this yellow satiny shade, mixed with just a little bit of Abstract, and put that on the outer crease. Oh my gosh, these are so pigmented. It's not even funny. I'm barely tapping this on. And to put all those shades on, I was just using an E26 brush, but now I'm gonna go in with my E27 and just start blending them together better. And now with my E27 brush, I'm just gonna go back into Majestic and Zeitgeist or whatever that is, and blend the corner into the crease, the cut crease. And I'm just gonna repeat the pattern of green, blue, and purple on my lower lash line. So that's our look. I'm gonna pop on some mascara and a lip, and then we'll end the video out. And that's our final look for the day. It's kind of crazy, but it's just this rainbow cut crease that I did. For some reason, my left eye actually looks better than my right eye, and that never happens. But I'm happy with how it came out. This is kind of what I was trying to go for last night, and it just didn't work out for me, so I decided to step away and to try again today. But I really like it now that it's done. Wow. And now it's just in time for me to take it off to go to work, because there's no way I am going to work with a full rainbow cut crease. That's for sure. Before I end the video, I just wanted to talk about what I thought of the palette and everything. I think that the shadows are very pigmented, as you can tell. They show up so well. Like, there's no denying what color is what color, and it just is in your face. When I was doing the swatches, I did notice that some of the normal shimmer shades, like this one, this one, this one, that one, they don't perform as well as the rest, but they still perform pretty well. So overall, I would say this palette is a 10 out of 10, and I will use it for a million more looks, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry it's like a little chaotic and split up because I just couldn't figure out how to make this work last night. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like down below. Subscribe to me down below if you'd like to see more makeup looks, or if you just like to keep up with me. Subscribing can really help out my channel and help me reach my goal of 100 subscribers by January 1st, if possible. I really want it to happen. And comment down below what you think of this look. I would just like to know. Is it a little too crazy? Anyways, thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!